Take some 2-liter water bottles, use big bottles to get good results. Cut the top 1 to 2 inch part with a scissor. You can also use knife to cut off the neck. Only do if you are positive that the plastic is thin enough for you to cut comfortably. Select a bottle that is at least 10 to 15 inches deep and 3 to 5 inches wide. Most radish varieties don't require more than 2 to 3 inches of growing space. Make 3 to 4 holes at the bottom so that the bottles are able to freely drain away excess water. Radishes prefer rich, well-drained and permeable soil that doesn't obstruct root growth. For that, mix 50% garden soil, 30% compost such as cattle manure or vermicompost, and 20% river sand. Now fill the bottles with the soil mix. Radishes come in many shapes, sizes and colors. There are round radishes like pink beauty, scarlet globe, cherry bell that also mature within 3 to 5 weeks. Sow the seeds half inch deep and gently cover them back with the soil mix. After planting, water the seeds using a watering can or bottle. You should keep the potting mix moist and make sure that it gets enough sunlight. Radishes need a good amount of sunlight for faster growth and root production, so your radishes need at least 6 to 8 hours of sunlight daily. After only 3 to 4 days, the seeds will germinate and tiny plants will emerge. Keep your soil evenly moist for a quality crop. Make sure you water deeply and never allow the bottles to dry out completely, especially in the first few weeks. Once radishes are 12 to 14 days old and not performing well, you can fertilize with cattle manure or vermicompost for healthy growth. Radish is a cool season crop that grows best in short days. The optimum seed germination temperature falls in the range of 8 to 30 degrees Celsius. The most flavorful and crispiest radishes grow in moderately cool temperatures, which is 10 to 20 degrees Celsius. Since the radish is a root vegetable, make sure the potting mix should be kept moist. If your pot dries out of water, root will not grow well. Growing radishes in waste bottles is not difficult. You can enjoy fresh and crispy radishes and tasty green tops right in your apartment balcony, patio porch rooftop, or even indoors on your windowsill. Water your radish plants regularly. An irregular and infrequent watering technique like keeping the plants dry for some time then pouring water to create really moist condition can lead to cracking of the roots. Be vigilant when it comes to harvesting radishes. Waiting too long can turn radishes woody, cracked, and peppery. Don't let them grow too big, else they would become hard and woody and also taste unhealthy. Check to see if the radishes are at a good pickable size. You can uncover the top of each plant to determine its size. If the radish is slightly thicker than your thumb, it's ready to be picked. For harvesting, pull the radishes from the bottle. The leaves may break easily, so pull the radish from the top of the plant. You should harvest the root before the plant starts flowering. When the plant starts flowering, the radish does not taste good. Radishes mature quickly, with some varieties taking only 3 to 4 weeks from seed to maturity. Their peppery flavor adds a kick to soups and salads. Growing vegetables in plastic bottles saves you space and is very easy to do, so grow your own vegetables at home in plastic bottles.